tutorial on how to use the Hawaii State Public Library System to access the online databases. To get there, you can scroll down and click on this button on the left. That opens up this database page, where the electronic resources page. I recommend you sort by middle school, which would choose articles and resources for you that are at your reading level. The three resources that I want to highlight here are the Gale Virtual Reference Library, Middle Search Plus, and Science in Context. To use these, you will need to have your library card available. Sometimes you need both your library card number and your PIN number. First, we'll go to the Gale Virtual Reference Library. Now, I've already logged in, and it saved my login, so I didn't have to put in my login information here. But when you have put in your login information, it will open up this page, and then under Subjects, let's sort for Science, because we're particularly interested in science. These are all the science encyclopedia that the library has available to you. You can then use keywords to search in the collection. So here I'm going to search for the keyword of soil chemistry, and there it is, and see what comes up, because I might be doing a project on plants. And here we have an article on soil chemistry, also on compost, fertilizer, physical characteristics of soil. So you can find a lot of information about soil. I'm going to click this particular resource. You can see it either as an HTML, which is what I'm looking at now, or you can choose to view it as a PDF. I'm going to leave it in HTML. When you're here, you can either download it to your computer, you can email it to yourself, you can also get the citation tools. Let me show you how that works. For each article that you use, you're going to need a citation in your bibliography. And it's kind of handy if you can just copy and paste it. So here we have our citation in MLA, which is the format I'd like you to choose. You can select it. I'll go Command-C on my computer. Close that. I'm going to go to a Word document and just paste it in. Later on, I'll need to format this properly, but at least I have that resource cited. Going back to the resource, as I said, if you want to save this, you can print it, or I would recommend downloading it so you can read it on your computer, on your iPad. And you can also email a link to yourself. Okay, let's go look at another one of those resources. Let's look at Middle Search Plus. Oops, how did I miss it? I guess I didn't search for middle school. I got to search middle school. And here we go to Middle Search Plus. Now this one I haven't logged into, so this is where you put your library card number and PIN number. And it looks a little bit different. Here's where you put your keywords. So this time I'm going to look for beach erosion. There we go. And I'm going to search and see what comes up. Okay, best beach in America. Maybe I'm not terribly interested in that. Wildlife, you can read a short amount about the article here. Beaches are being impacted by rebuilding the beachfront. No, that doesn't sound what I'm interested in. Let's see, catching a wave, wave energy, no, maybe not. Weather front, beach erosion can cause hurricane storm surge. Prolonged pounding of waves along normal wave level can cause beach erosion, then a hurricane. So that might be interesting. Here's one of methods of protecting beaches in the country. So in this you can see also where it's been written. It's in Science World. 1999, it's a little bit old, but we could look at that. So let's take a look at that. And here we can see sandy beaches are washing out to sea. Okay, maybe this is something I would want. And again, you can save it, you can email it to yourself, you can print it. For this one, they do not have the citation resource, so you would need to copy all the citations from here. Okay, let's go to another, let's add another word. Let's go beach erosion and sand. You can sometimes filter your searches, make it a little bit more direct. Oh, there's the citation. Let's search, come on. And it is taking its time to search. While it's doing that, I noticed that there is a citation tool here. So we'll explore that when this search finishes up, if it finishes up. Let's go back to the result list and try that. Well, it seems like I am stuck right now, so just to review, you can put your words in here, your search words. There we go. Here's a couple encyclopedia articles. Oh, coast protection, that could be something useful. So I want to take a look at this. This is from the reference library. And I can read a short abstract, then I can read the whole article. And let's take a look at that citation. Okay, it lets me choose the different type of citation. Again, I'd like you to choose MLA, and here you can copy and paste this into your resource list, into your bibliography list later. So again, going from the home page, you scroll down to online databases. When you click that, it will bring you to a list of all the different resources that you can use. Start for middle school, look for Gale, Middle Search Plus, or Science in Context. Those are some good places to get started. If you need extra help with using the Hawaii Public Library system, the librarians, of course, are available, and you can ask me if I can be of any help to you. Thank you.